Before you invest in Brandwatch, stop right there, because most people assume social media monitoring tools are all the same. The surprising truth is that Brandwatch offers powerful analytics and sentiment tracking, but it's not a simple plug-and-play solution for everyone. Brandwatch is a social media intelligence platform that monitors conversations across blogs, forums, news sites, and social networks. You won't believe what happens next when businesses realize they can track brand perception, competitors, and trending topics in real time, giving actionable insights for marketing and PR campaigns. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume it's just a dashboard to see mentions. In reality, Brandwatch provides deep analytics, sentiment scoring, demographic data, and AI-powered trend predictions. Without proper setup and training, companies may underutilize these features. Getting started involves creating an account, defining your queries, and selecting relevant sources. Brandwatch then collects and analyzes data, presenting it through customizable dashboards and visualizations. You can set alerts for sudden spikes in mentions or negative sentiment. The upside is insight. Brands can detect crises early, optimize campaigns, and even identify emerging influencers in their niche. The platform supports integration with CRM and analytics tools, making it easier to act on the data. The downside is cost and complexity. Brandwatch is priced for businesses, and smaller companies may find it expensive. The learning curve can be steep, especially for teams new to social listening or data analysis. The surprising truth about Brandwatch is that it can transform how a business understands its audience, but it requires time, strategy, and proper training to get the full benefit. If this honest review helped you understand Brandwatch, subscribe for more marketing tool reviews and tips.